Let's now do an unboxing of the Kospet Tank X2 Ultra. As you can see, there's a watch just there. Lovely packaging as always from Kospet. It looks very, very nice. Going to go open up and look at the different features of it. Now to start with, as you can see, there it is there, all the different functions on the back, which we're going to talk through. Now this is a rugged watch, so it combines rugged durability with a sleek design. It's got great things like military grade certifications, advanced GPS features, and over 170 sports modes, including comprehensive fitness and tracking features. We're going to go into that in a bit more detail. Also got a 209 milliampere battery, which gives you 8 to 12 days of typical use, which is great. And would you believe 44 days in standby mode too. And there you go. There's, we just open up the watch and there it is there. As you can see, it's got a stainless steel unibody with a premium finish and it's built for durability and style. It's got Corning Gorilla Glass as well, which is scratch resistant, and a 1.64-inch AMOLED display, which gives you vivid visuals. It's got a magnetic charging cable, which you can use, and it's got swappable straps as well for customization. And as you can see there, just there, doesn't that look really, really nice? Now, this has passed 15 military grade tests to withstand extreme temperatures, shock, vibration, and harsh conditions. Very easy to set up. As you go English there, press a button to set it up. And it's very straightforward. Now, this does use an app as well to track everything, which we'll show you through shortly. And there you go, just scan the QR code, and that enables you to start it through the app. And there you go, it's all set up. So there's the display to start with. As you can see, it's got the time, and there's also some of the health measurements on there as well. The strap feels very nice, very durable, without being too strong. And there's a charging cable, which we spoke about earlier as well. So I'm going to go and put that away and look at how the watch comes too. So it's got 170 different sports modes on this. So everything from yoga and HIIT to swimming and CrossFit. It also does smart sports recognition as well. So it can detect 6 activities like walking, running, cycling. The display's very responsive as well. So literally you just scroll up and scroll down to do it. So I press the button there. You can see there are the different functions straight away that you can use. So you scroll down and then go through them too. So it's got things like customized watch faces, Bluetooth calls, sedentary reminders. There you go, your call log. So you can actually make and take calls from your phone as well. And there's your daily activity for things like such as steps, how far you've gone, even how well you've slept as well. Again, there's 170 different sports fitness modes, comes across really well. Now, it's got dual band GPS as well, and 6 satellite positioning system, so it enables you to know where you are. It's also got built-in compass and barometric altimeter as well. Now, I did test all these functions in a full review, which you can have a look at, like blood pressure, stuff like that. It was pretty exact too. So not only is it a smart fitness watch, but also tracks all your key metrics as well, enables you to be able to match them. Using the app as well enables you to track them there as well. So all in all, a very good, durable watch. Got a ton of features, listening to music, making phone calls, Bluetooth connectivity, great sports modes, health monitoring, and very, very clear, bright display. So guys, check out the full review, but this really is a fantastic, durable, smart fitness watch.